Microsoft-backed Rubrik, a cybersecurity company, has filed an initial public offering and it's all set to debut in New York Stock Exchange very soon. Rubrik is a data security software company which was incorporated in 2014 and then launched its first product in 2016. Microsoft invested $4 billion in the company in 2021 and Rubrik has committed to spend $220 million over the next decade to use Microsoft's cloud service Azure, which marks a strong strategic alliance between the two companies. As per the reports from the Bloomberg News, Rubrik through the IPO seeks to raise between $500 to $700 million. This money would be used to grow their business even further. As per the details filled by the company, it has a huge client base with over 61,000 customers, including Goldman Sachs, Barclays, and Citigroup. Its clients also include governments and universities as well as an array of companies such as Home Depot Inclined, PepsiCo Inclined, Illumina Inclined, Fiserv Inclined, and the Denver Broncos. The company's subscription annual recurring revenue grew by 47% as of Jan 31, compared with a year earlier, and its total revenue now stands out to be $628 billion. Tech companies have now dominating the IPO market lately, exemplified by the successful debuts of Reddit and Astera Labs, which are still trading well above their initial pricing. Rubrik is all set to give their similar opportunity. After examining the fundamentals of the company, our experts believe that this stock should list at a price of around $40, which means investing in the IPO now can yield a profit of 30% just on the day of listing. And if the stock is held for a quarter, this stock can easily give a return of 50 to 60%. Using the leverage offered by FX Mills, investors can now four-fold returns on their investment. We at FX Mills strive to bring such opportunities for you from all around the world. To take advantage of it, visit our website www.fxmills.com.